Recording. Is it recording already?
Yeah, it's live. Let me begin. Hey, yo, what up? This is your boy TT, and I welcome you back to the LungTrey segment. Remember, this is the segment where we're talking, listening, cheering, laughing. If it's laughable, niggas. Oh, you know, you gotta laugh. That's the whole point. The point is to laugh. So, but, I mean, imagine, it's February, it's the month of love.
Yeah.
And in the building,
And I'm Thando. Love.
in
Hello.
the building, I got someone so amazing, so special, and I was listening to their set like a while ago. Oh my God,
I appreciate
it's
it.
so amazing. But I don't want to speak so much about you. I just wanted to at least introduce yourself.
Okay, cool. Introduce myself. My full name is Thando, surname Nomvalo, and then I go by Thando. That is my stage name.
Thando.
Thando.
How did you come up with that name?
I think it comes from my full name. My full name is Thando, so I just like how do I play around with my full name, and people call me Thando, and then randomly I just came up with Thando.
Okay, so I want you to humor me. Take me back. I don't know if it was 2 years ago or 3 years ago. How did you feel when you were first on the Smirnoff female stage?
DJing.
Yeah, at that time where you now you gotta play.
I was very excited. It was very exciting when I started, you know.
When you started playing.
Yeah, it was kind of like very exciting. I didn't take it very seriously. It was like something I always wanted to do, which is music. And then as time went on, as you know, I realized how serious this thing is.
And how did the campaign come about?
Sorry?
How did the campaign come about? The Smirnoff female search?
Oh, the Smirnoff. So I attended Rise Academy. It's for DJing, producing, sound engineering. It's a college in Rosebank. So I did a 1-year course, and then they were working with Smirnoff. And then they told us in class that, hey guys, there's this opportunity if you wanna like participate, you can. And then I was like, okay, maybe I can try this. And then I did it.
So
I participated.
Okay, so when did you first start performing on a big crowd?
Big crowd.
Yeah.
Big crowd. I mean, in
first time?
Maboneng, and yeah, a place called Shabrai. That's where most of my friends, I think about 20 of my friends were there. And obviously there were people in the club. So that was a big crowd for me.
You invited your friends?
I invited my friend and they wanted to see me too. They were like, no, we're coming for this one. So it was my first paying gig. So it was very exciting. My friends were like, no, we're coming for this one. And
I thought it's more like you just wanted the place to be filled. So you know what? Let me just bring my friends.
Say that again?
I thought maybe it was more of let me fill the place.
Yeah.
So let me bring my friends.
I mean, why not? If my friends want to come by. And then the way they were supporting me, they even gave us like a nice bottle for my friends. Like, hey, your friends are cool. Let us give you a bottle. Okay. They was very excited. It was very exciting. I mean, so yeah.
And then tell me about we are VR JOZI. What's happening there?
We are VR JOZI is it happens every last Thursday of the month. Okay. You know, it's people in tech. They deal with VR goggles.
Are they playing games?
No, I mean you have to produce something that has to play in the VR goggle. So it can be a game, it can be film. So it's different things that you can do with the VR. So yeah, it's different things, man. You can do music, it's storytelling, and then you don't have to like you watch it via VR headsets. And I used to work in I told you about the gallery that I work in galleries. Okay. So the gallery that I was working at was like a digital gallery. That's where I knew about the VR people. So I approached them like, hey guys, since you throw these events every last Thursday of the month, I can DJ for you because you need some music, you know.
I mean, yeah, tell me about that music part. What's happening? So people are busy with some VR and stuff, and at the same time you're playing.
So there's presentations. So like, it usually starts at 6, and then I would like play until the presentation starts, maybe like 4 to 7, and then break times I continue playing, and then even maybe after the everything, after the thing, the event is done, I'll continue playing, and it's a very cool event.
Like I'm still wondering at this time, like, okay, what's happening? Like first thing, let's say I enter at the VR shows. I'm gonna see people busy with VR, whatever.
So this one, we are VR JOZI specifically, it's just people talking about what they have produced, introducing their projects.
And then at the background, it's you playing music.
Yes. And then they present what they have produced and where you can maybe find the game or the film that they've done. So it's just people like, just, hey guys, this is what I've done. Look, check it out most of the time.
Sounds interesting.
Yeah, it's very, very interesting.
So, but then, how did you come about you becoming the resident DJ?
I approached them. I was like, guys, you need some DJ. I can do that for you. And then they know that I'm a DJ, and I've worked with most of the VR people. So obviously they trusted me because they know me and my work ethic. So they're like, okay, put through, let's see. And I have a DJ at home that I practice with. I was like, I'm gonna bring my own equipment. As long as speakers and stuff, I can bring my own DJ to like play. You don't have to like hire any DJ equipment. I can bring that for myself. So that's how it started.
So, but then, from your background, it says that somewhere, somehow, you were involved in filmmaking. So,
Yeah.
why the sudden change?
It's always been there, bro, from the young age. I grew up in a music home, you know.
Trejo Tebogo from Turfloop, but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel, LungTrey Studio, where I shoot short films and podcasts on my Samsung